This is Eddie on the Go. Right now I'm looking for the AFA office here in the city, and they're supposed to be open at 8 a.m. so I'm going to see if they're open. The business that I came to visit this morning is not yet open, even though the website says 8 a.m. So I am currently looking for a place to eat breakfast. And normally I don't eat breakfast. I wait until lunch. But today will be the exception because who knows how long it's going to be until that place opens. So I look. And right now, I'm not really seeing any restaurants that are other than like nighttime restaurants and bars. So let's see what's over here because, and there's a bank. I need to make a withdrawal later. Bancolombia, that is like the major, one of the major banks here. So it looks like there might be a place to eat over here. I'm going to check it out. Maybe first the bank though. That air conditioning in the bank sure felt good, but I am not seeing anything open here. So English drugstore. So I guess I move on. Wait, there's a bakery. They have coffee. What's it look like? No. I think I want something a little more substantial than bread. So I move on. There are a lot of familiar restaurants and other businesses in this area that I noticed immediately after being dropped off. So let's see. No, I'm not seeing restaurants down here. So, I don't know. One more block, and then I'm going back in the other direction. See if the place is open, but I don't know. Japanese restaurant, that sounds good, except it's way too early for them to be open. BYD, the Chinese brand. They don't have those in the States. Got the Rio Casino and Bingo Locura, Crazy Bingo. Still no food. And another casino. It is humid and I am heading back, and I hope that the place is open because I could sure go for some air conditioning right now. I fully expected those birds to start flying away. Nope. So this is Parque Washington, huh? Okay, small. And their exercise area is much smaller than Parque Venezuela. But it's got nicer, it has lots of nice plants and trees. Oh, guess who this park is in honor of all people in the nation of Colombia? Old Georgie. It's humid, but I have some blue skies for you to look at in my video today. Isn't that nice? If I wasn't wearing dress clothes, I might be inclined to do a little short mini workout session, but no. I'm wearing a nice dress shirt and some chinos, and I don't want to get any more sweaty than I already am. Back to where I was going in the first place. I do believe it's this direction. To my intended place, and it looks like they are open because the chair is not in the door anymore. Maybe the staff is just not punctual about opening, I don't know. Well, the manager Claudia was not there. She said she stepped out for a while, so I gave them my card and I am waiting for her to call me. In the meantime, I am going to go to the mall and see if I can find any plain shirts with no logos or designs on them. Once again, I didn't find exactly what I was looking for, but close enough. I found a couple of nice shirts and a pair of socks. So until my next adventure, I'll leave you right here. Like and subscribe if you want, or don't. That's purely your choice. And I will see you in my next video. Ciao.